Hello, I just made my new app called the Language Trainer. So you can contact here about, you can see which read from here. So it's my version 3. So there are more versions that I haven't released yet. You can read more from here. So you will ask how I get the idea to make this app. It was because of a school competition that is called a spelling bee competition. So it all started with that. When I was studying, it got me kind of tired. I don't want to do it, so I created this app, but not this one yet. It was in a late version. It was just text and things like that. I'll show you later. I couldn't do more because there was a time limit that you needed to go to the competition at the time. So there's a time limit, a deadline. So you must just do with the tags, not GUIs yet. It will not be included yet. So after that, I improved the tags to GUIs little by little. So back then there was only the start button and things like that. There wasn't things like that. Even the progress bar wasn't there yet. Even enter words wasn't there yet, like those. So after that, I'm gonna show you the versions that I told that I will show you later. Cause let's see. I'm gonna close this for now. So it all started with this. I put it in the trial because I did not delete it, just to show you. So there wasn't a thing called enter the words that you want. I just made a list for this. Okay, so there we go. Let's say normal. There will be 3 of them: normal, random, and then chosen words. Let's say random right now. So normal is that it's just like the list, and then the list that I showed you earlier. And then the random is you're gonna shuffle the things in that list. The chosen words are the thing that you got wrong and then you want to practice it back, just like in the version 5. But in text, it all started with this. So let's say there will be type and write. Write means you will write on, you listen and then write on the paper, so you can practice things like that. So first we're gonna try type first.
Harshly.
There we go.
Twin.
You can put question mark, I guess.
Twin.
Yeah.
Spine.
If you put question mark, then it means that you want to try again. You did not hear. There will be a listen button in my version 5, but no version 3. I mean, sorry.
Spine. Extraordinary.
Okay, so you will say how many question marks can it be? Only one.
Space.
You can only put one question mark and then no, because there'll only be 2 times for it, or else you're gonna do What do I say? When I listen and listen again without the time limit, without the limit for listening, you won't be able to do like that in the competition, but at that time it was like that. Then it was in text, so it will be a long thing if you wrote like question mark again and again. Let's say wrong, I don't know, space.
Tumble. Downhill.
Down.
Delicious.
Okay,
Ocean.
enough of this. So I use these. I use GTDS, play song at the time, random time, OS, modules, things like that. There was only 5 imports back then. So then let's move on. This was just 2 different audio listeners. So gonna go to, this is just a test file that I test without putting in anything. Oh, there we go. Version 1. Wait. Let's close all of this. Okay. There we go. It's kind of the same though. The thing is, there's only about, not any other things. Progress bar is right over there. Okay, so you can shuffle.
Separate.
Okay.
Embarrassed. Compliment.
LS.
Effect. Effect. Necessary. Accommodation. Rhythm. Stationary.
It's kind of the same, but not really. There are things like that. So that's my version 1. Let's go to this. You got the daily streak, but not this one too. We got the daily streak, but what happened is I really can't test if it works or not. That's why
Separate.
It's kind of the same too. Version 1 and version 2 not too different. Plus, this is the file that I showed you. It was with Pygame, so there were really much problems here because it couldn't open because I used MPG123. It did not work in Windows, so I tried building it. So here in exe main, in the dist, I tried building this, and then what happened is that I put it in the window, the window laptop, and then I run it, but the thing is, it did not work. It worked, it showed GUIs, things like that, but the thing is, it ran perfectly, but the audio did not work. It showed the supported audio not opening in the background. Like for example, it showed VLC if VLC is downloaded, so kind of interrupting. So I put it Pygame instead of those, and then it worked. So these version 4 and version 5 haven't released yet. So then I'm gonna show you how to use this app. Okay, so using this app, so there will be, first thing you need to do is choose the mode. So I'm gonna show you types of modes first. Let's say type, type not like this.
Necessary.
I'm not gonna type like that anymore. As you can see, like that. And then what this is called listening one. Listening mode. You can tell how many seconds you want to pause after an audio. So let's say 2 seconds. 1.
Necessary.
Okay, not yet. 1, 2. It moves.
Separate.
1, 2. There we go.
Effect.
I think kind of 1, 2. There we go.
Embarrassed.
You can pause. I use 2 seconds at a time because I don't know how many seconds that they will give in the competition, so I use that. 1, 2. Okay.
Embarrassed. Compliment.
You can try to write and
Accommodation.
things like that. Try to write
Rhythm.
and then listen and write on the paper, but
Stationary.
I did not do at the time. I just wrote on
Adapt.
my keyboard on my laptop. There we go. So I'm gonna show you what wrong words are. So first, it will create an automatic wrong words file. This was the test file I created a long time ago, but let's delete it for testing right now. So then let's start again.
Necessary.
Got one right.
Separate.
Okay.
Effect.
There we go.
Embarrassed. Compliment.
Okay, compliment. Okay, I got that.
Accommodation.
Accommodation.
Rhythm. Stationary. Adapt.
Okay, there we go. You got 4 words wrong. So let's see. Over here there are 4 words that I got wrong. So it's not gonna show like that though. What I'm gonna show is, okay, let's start. Click start. There we go.
Necessary.
Not this one, sorry. Wrong words. You can see there are 4 right over here. Type. Wrong words. You can practice it back.
Separate.
Okay.
Compliment.
One more right.
Accommodation.
Accommodation. Oh wait. Okay,
Rhythm.
I don't know. Okay, so then I think I typed this too much. I just stop it. Then over here you got these. We got these because currently they're not. Gonna set it to a blank file back again. So then that was it for the mode. Then the accent, so you can see different accent, 2 different accent. I'm gonna release, not yet, I'll tell it at the end of the video. British and American, so I've showed you British, so there we go.
Necessary. Stationary. Separate. Affect. Embarrassed. Compliment. Accommodation. Rhythm.
Okay, only one round this time. So you can see the accent here too. What reset word is that it's gonna reset to the words that are imported right over here. Just like that. So then you reset to the words, it got reset it. Reload to save word is that if you stir it will save automatically. So currently if you open save words, it's like this. So let's say we changed some of it. Like necessary, let's say adapt, things like that. So let's start. Okay.
Adapt.
We're not gonna listen to that. There we go. You can see adapt over there, right over there. Typing with capital or small doesn't matter. Okay.
Separate.
That's all. Shuffle. You can shuffle it, the words. Okay. So then now, I'm gonna show you my GitHub. That'll be the source code. Other things you can look, I will put the link in the description so you can look. There'll be the spelling bee for Linux, and then for Windows, there is a spellingbee.exe. You can download it if you want. And then a license. That's all, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna release later. So right now you can see there's only a thing called accent, so we will change it to a language, and then there will be much more languages. There will be more like Japanese, Korean, things like that. And then that's my idea. So I haven't released that yet, but I'm gonna release it soon or later. I don't know. You can donate or contact or about. You can click 3 of those right above. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and that's currently today's video. Bye.